Well, we finally made it into March and actually entered the first truly nice days of spring weather here in Washington. So after about 4 months of hibernation, it is time to get the bike out and ride again. This time of the year in the Pacific Northwest, we'll usually get a couple of nice days, you know, in March, April, where it's actually really sunny and approaching really warm temperatures. And then in true Northwest fashion, it'll tease us for a couple of days and then go back to being rainy for weeks. So I'm gonna take full advantage and get out and ride as much as I can the next couple of days while it's really nice out. I think I'm just gonna cruise over to this local historic brick road spot and just shoot some bike photos, just really for the sake of getting out and riding. Haven't been there in, I think, quite literally 10 years. So we're just gonna get out and go for a nice cruise today and enjoy spring weather and riding season being here again. Now, I was gonna give the whole bike a wash because it's been sitting in the winter and it's pretty dirty. So since I was gonna go take photos, we wanna clean her up a little bit, but I waited too long and now the entire driveway's in the sun, which would make washing this thing a real pain in the ass. So I'm just gonna give it a quick wipe down. Should be good enough for a couple of quick photos. This is just water. It's not actually OxyClean. I'm not gonna worry about getting this too clean. I'm just gonna go shoot a few quick photos, not do like a full detail or anything like that. Just gonna kind of get the main water spots and dead bugs and stuff off of the main front surfaces of the bike. It's always nice when it's a liner out type of day. All right, let's go riding. What an awesome evening cruise. I can smell people barbecuing and it just feels like summer. Just quite a big contrast to the last time I got out and rode, which was I think either New Year's Day or the last time I filmed anything was right after Thanksgiving, and it was colder than shit outside, and right now it's just perfect temperature, so couldn't be more stoked to be back on the bike. And we made it out to the brick road. It's a lot smoother than I thought it would be. I took I took a pass up and down just to kind of check out where I wanted to take bike photos, and then also just to kind of see where the good straightaways are with good light, how much space I might have on the edge of a corner, because there's the occasional car too, so it might be a bit of a struggle to get the bike in the center of the road without, you know, having to jump back and forth and move out of the way for people if they're driving past, but we'll give it our best shot and just try to enjoy an evening taking some photos. Motorcycles are so freaking cool. I love my bike. This spot is pretty cool. I'm glad to remember that it's so close by to where I live and I can come shoot here again, because the only downside right now with it being still technically winter, like barely verging on spring, is nothing's, all the foliage, nothing's blooming yet and stuff, so it's just dead stick season around me right now. But I'm guessing if you come back here either in the summer or fall, you'll get some really good foliage, so definitely a spot I'll probably be coming back to. So I think before I take off, the last thing I want to do is try to get a self-portrait, because frankly I don't really have that many photos of me with my bike. But the problem is I don't really want to put the long lens on this camera body, and frankly I'm not really sure how much I trust that much weight with these tiny tripod legs. So I think what I'm going to try to do is just set the 5D4 with the telephoto on top of the riding backpack, since it's really sturdy and holds its shape really well. Put that in the middle of the road with the timer on it, push the bike to the middle of the road, and just hope that no cars come, because that would be a real pain in the ass to try to scramble and move both those at once. But we'll give it a go and see what happens. I don't necessarily recommend doing this, but do as I say, not as I do. All right, that should be good right there. Well, here comes the car. See how many tries this actually takes. All right, try number 2. I don't even know if that took. Can't hear the shutter from here. Well, I'd say the bike photos turned out okay. I'm just messing around, checking out a spot, like I said though, so nothing crazy today, but it's cool. I think most of the people that drove by gave me a smile or a thumbs up for the bike, but we are near a pretty affluent area, a lot of money around here. Now a lot of mosquitoes too, apparently. But you know, a couple of people definitely gave me the, maybe like 2 out of 10 people, I should say, gave me the get off my lawn type of look. But I got the framing the way I wanted, but the autofocus was having a hard time grabbing me with the self-timer. So just is what it is, but I'm tired, I'm hungry. It's gonna get dark soon, and tonight is Indianapolis Supercross, so I'm gonna go home, make some food, and probably watch Jet Lawrence kick everybody's ass again. So thanks for hanging out with me today. I hope you guys ride safe, and I'll see you next time.